While installing the passenger mount, I was filming kind of wrong. I thought I was filming, diagonal, but I was filming up and down on accident, so that's my mistake. Hope you guys can still watch the video and enjoy it. I won't make the same mistake next time, so you live and you learn, and that's what I'm doing every day by filming, editing, and just posting videos for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy. What up, YouTube? Well, today is a good day because I have another upgrade for y'all. It doesn't have to do with the engine, but it has to deal with wheel hop, so I can get all the power to the ground. So let's open this package up and see what it is. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Ooh. More Damond products, because Damond is really good company, and we'll see what it is. Got some threads, some bolts and nuts and stuff, hardware. Really nice packaging. I got these from Edge Motorsports, so I'm pretty sure Damond didn't package this, but it's a Damond product. Look what it is. Look what it is. More packaging. This is really good packaging. I like it. So nothing comes all scuffed up. And there you guys go. Damond passenger motor mount, because my stock motor mount just took shit on me, and you can see all the like all the liquid stuff like all over my engine bay. So it was time to get a new mount. And for Mazdaspeed 3s, Damond is the way to go. There's no other engine mount out there as good as Damond, with the lowest vibrations on the market. You can also get JBR. They're about $50 cheaper, but they're gonna give you a little more vibrations than Damond is. So if you have a Mazdaspeed 3, and there's a few other cars they do products for, I'm not really too sure what cars are they, but if you have a Mazdaspeed 3, go to Damond and get their motor mounts. I think they also do it for the Focus STs too. And I'll vouch for Damond every day of the week, because they're a really good company. Their products are really good, probably the best on the market for engine mounts. Their short shift plate that I bought hasn't given me any problems, and it works just fine. I would be installing my motor mount today, but as you can see behind me, it's about to rain, and it's about like 30 degrees outside, so it's too cold for me to work on my car. I'm not gonna do it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna teleport to the next day. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, today is the next day. As you can tell, it's bright and sunny, not cold. And so now let's get it. So we're gonna replace the passenger side mount. And as you can tell, it kind of took a crap all my engine bay. You can see that. That's from the engine mount. All that is from the engine mount. From here, usually it starts to crap out. So first things first, gotta move this out the way. This is just stuck on there with clips, so let's take that out of the way first. There's gonna be a clip right here. You press it upwards, and then eventually it's gonna come out. And then after you get that one done, right here, you press, you get your flathead. You'll get it like right here, and then start pulling inwards, and start just shaking this up and down until it finally comes off. And then those are the only tabs. And then now just kind of put this out of the way so we can get to the passenger mount. And as you can tell, it's just messy all over everywhere. So for right now, I'm gonna just try and clean as much as I can before I start taking it off and installing the new as much as I could, but I'll clean some more after I actually take the mount off. Okay, next step is to take off the ground wire. Don't forget to put on the ground wire because God forbid you try and start the car. So it's gonna be a 10 mil. There you go. Taking the 10 mil ground off, then you're gonna take the 17 millimeter bolts that are connected to the frame. Taking the inner one out first, just because I always like taking the hard bolts off first before taking the easier ones off. Both these off, okay. This thing comes in handy. It's pretty loose enough to where I take it off with my hands. Okay, now both those 17 millimeters are now take these two 17 millimeter bolts off. Next, connected to the engine is pretty torqued down. So plus what the extension I have, I'm using this that just comes off my lift. So you're gonna have to have a breaker bar or something extra like that, so to take these nuts off, because these are a little harder than the ones to connect to the frame. Just make sure the jack underneath is supporting the engine. Don't forget that, because right when I took these off, the engine dropped a little too low, so I had to lift it a little higher. So after that, engine mount should just come out, and there you go. See, that's no good no more. These stock engine mounts suck. But now, out with the old and in with the new. Now I'm just gonna clean some more. I'm gonna take this off too and just clean everything out, because I want my engine bay as clean as possible. So if anything else wants to leak, it's easier to figure out where it's coming from than just guessing where the leak is. Because imagine if you're trying to find a leak and you see all this crap, you're not gonna exactly know where the leak's coming from. Now it's gonna be time to assemble the diamond motor mount. This, to make it easier, have this facing you with this facing you, not the other way around, because this is gonna be backwards. So I have that facing you, got the diamond logo facing you like this, and then when you have the hardware, put the two smaller 17 millimeter bolts through there, and I'll show you guys how that looks. Both 17 millimeter studs in. That's how it's gonna look. Look like that, and then this is gonna go up right like that, and that's how it's gonna look. So let's torque those down to spec. Well, here you guys go. Here is my diamond motor mount. Sorry, I was gonna film more steps of it, but it was real hard to put it in here. So basically, when you get your motor mount, you put everything all assembled. You torque this. You torque these to 60 foot-pounds. You'll have these loose when you install them in here. Install these two bolts back on, these 17 millimeter bolts back on, which goes to 60 foot-pounds, is the same as this. And then these down here, I'm pretty sure they're 40 or 50 foot-pounds of torque. Then you torque these after you install this right here. Same thing goes with this, another 60 foot-pounds of torque. I messed up. I just installed it over the ground wire, but the best thing to do is take off the ground wire, install it right here, take this valve cover bolt off right here, and just ground it to here and there. But pretty much I'm just gonna ground this to the same spot, but I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to do something. And And there you guys go. I would have filmed the whole process, but it's really hard to do it with one hand and by myself, because you have to shimmy the engine left and right, up and down, to get it to fit where you want it, like perfectly in here. But yeah, there you guys go. I'm gonna put everything back, put the ground back on, and then we'll see. We'll start driving and see how it feels. Okay, so now I'm in the car. We're gonna do first startup. It's a cold start, and to show you guys the difference, see if it vibrates more or sounds harsher. We'll see. Not bad at all. It doesn't shake. Doesn't shake at all for a passenger mount. That's really good. That's why I vouch for Damond, because it has the lowest H, so you're not, you know, getting a headache, or the vibration's not fucking, you know, killing you when you start up the car. Well, there you guys go. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and my next video I'm gonna be installing the rear motor mount. So I'll catch you next time. Later, guys. Peace.